Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone and welcome back to our class on mastering curriculum vitae. This is our second section and today we are going back to break down the essential sections of a curriculum vitae. By the end of this session, you will understand what to include in each section of your curriculum vitae and how to format it effectively. Before we dive in, make sure you have a notebook, pen, handy book, and a document to take notes. And don't forget to comprehend this topic, important topic. Ready? Let's get started. A strong CV typically has the following sections. Let's list them first, that we will discuss each in detail. The first is header or contact information. So it's very in the top of your curriculum vitae. You must put it the header contact informations, your full name, your phone number, email, and LinkedIn, and it can be accessed by the recruiter. The second is profile statement. It's very important you to make a brief on overview of your career goals. So you make your motivation, or sorry, you make your purpose to get the jobs and make the recruiter interest to you. And when they see your profile statement, is when you're highly motivated to reach the jobs, and you can make very highly motivated, so maybe they interest and your opportunity to enrich the jobs openly. And then work experience. So the work experience is less job it refers chronological orders. So you can explain your experience in previous job and make it in chronological, and you can explain your role in your previous job. What your achievement and what is your jobs, what is your what we call it, your uh, objective, yeah, your target in your last work or previous jobs. And then education and skill, it's very important to put your educational background and skills. So the recruiter wants to know what is your educational background, what you achieve when you study in this college or schools, and what's your skill. Its skill relate to their job requirement is very important. Your degree, institution, and relevance, the coursework to your jobs. Okay, next, the header. We continue to the header of your curriculum vitae, included contact informations. So the header is where you provide your name and contact information. This section is straightforward but extremely important because it's how employer will reach out to you, and it is very important to you to make it clear contact information, how they can call you, right? So when you make miss in contact information, you can lose your opportunity to enrich the jobs. So here is what to include. The first, your full name, right? So make your full name is very professional, appear very professionally. Then make, yeah, sometime typo or miswriting and so on and so forth. So make it appears as professionally. And the second is your phone number is very important, right? So it's very important you have your phone number and make sure your phone number is active, right? Make it sure it's active. And then email is very important. Email. Email is especially use your professional email address. Yeah, make it uh your email address professional as usual and don't use another slang or something like that to make it your recruiter is confusing, right? And then the optionals you can put your LinkedIn profile, yeah, to know, yeah, in LinkedIn profile they want to know about your experience, your background, so on and so forth in a LinkedIn profile to know what is you. And avoid unnecessary details like your home address unless explicitly requested by the employee. Okay, next, your profile statement. Yeah, it's very important. The profile statement for you. So the recruiter wants to know the overview of you. So the profile statement is a short paragraph at the top of your curriculum vitae that highlight your career goals and qualification and make your what we call it, your profile statement very clearly and motivated. So your profile statement purposes to concise overview of who you are and your goals. For example, in here on your screen, you see uh, the example of profile statement. Strong example. Highly motivated marketing professional seeking role in. So it's very important, yeah, right, to make uh, you very highly motivated to enrich your y- to apply your jobs. So when it's very important, the recruiter want to know what is you and what the level of motivation to reach the jobs. And then the big examples here you can see on the screen. Looking for a job where I can use my skill. It's not very motivated and yeah, the recruiter is, yeah, very not sure. It's not it's not sure about you and set you as their employee, right? If you touch the example of profile statement like on the screen, quick example to your profile statement and guarantee you reject it, right? You will reject it. In your profile statement, yeah, if you have experience, work experience, so in you can attach or summarization of your key achievement and skill relevant to the job. So whether then if you're fresh graduate or you're changing career, you focus on your career goals and what you hope to achieve. So it's very important, right? And keep it concise, right? Don't make it very expanded. Make it concise, simplify, and understandable. Ideally, around two until three sentences. Write your profile statement. Next, we will discuss about work experience. Right, the work experience section is the heart of most CVs, curriculum vitae. Employer or applicants want to see what you have done and how you made an impact in previous roles, right? So it's very important to know how the format is, right? So the in work your experience sections, very important things. Reverse chronological. So let's jump from most recent to others, right? So in work experience, the most recent job to others, and you explain. Then the key component on work experience is job title, company, debts, and responsibility. It's very important you to put in your uh, work experience in curriculum vitae. Notice, right? How each bullet point begins with an action verb and focus on the result. And avoid listing generic responsibilities. Instead, highlight specific contribution and outcomes. Okay, we continue to the next section, educational education sections. Is where you list your academic qualification. For most people, this will come after the work experience section. But if you are a recent graduate, it can be appear earlier. Here what's to include: degree and major, institution name and location, graduate date or expanded date, optional GPA, your GPA if it's expensive or relevant coursework or project related to your requirement. So it's very important to make your educational background is very relevant related our previous topic. The relevance to the requirement is very important. Exactly. Okay, the last maybe, yeah, we call talk about the skill sections. So the skill section, you can put your skill relate to your job's preference, right? Especially in skill section have two types of skills. The first hard skill, the second soft skill. Hard skills is refers to technical skill relevant to the roles of your jobs. And then soft skills like interpersonal skills that make you a strong candidate, like leadership, like communication, and so on and so forth. So make sure skill section and education section is put and on your curriculum vitae. Okay, that's it for today sections. To recap, we discussed first the essence section of a CV and how to format your header, profile statement, work experience, and education and skill section. Right. So the two points, several points that we have to know, like structure, clear, and concise information, very important on your curriculum vitae. And the next section we will discuss about creating a powerful profile statement. It's very important to make a good profile statement. And then in our next session we will dive into shortcasting your skill and tailoring your CV for specific job. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for updates. Don't forget your homeworks to review and update your CV based on today's lesson. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next section where we'll cover skill and customization to make your CV stand out even more. Thank you.